Hello. Everyone knows that mac and cheese is one of the easiest things to make. All you need is the box, and you're done. Your first step is you open up the box, take out your artificial cheese package, throw it in the trash. Today we are making real macaroni and cheese. So, real first step is you want to fill your pot with water. You want to boil your water until the water starts to bubble. Occasionally, you're going to want to stir pasta to make sure it's not all sticking together. When your pasta is done, you will want to bring it over to a strainer. The first thing to do is put your pot on the burner and you melt a half a cup of butter. Slowly mix in a half a cup of flour, 4 cups of milk. So there is not an exact amount of cheese that is needed. The key cheese ingredient is cheddar. Throwing in some Havarti, and if you rip it up into smaller pieces, makes it slightly easier to melt. American cheese helps it be extra creamy. Now it is time to add the seasonings. A half teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder. Make sure that you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. To make the breadcrumb topping, you need 2 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 of breadcrumbs. So the timer has gone off and it is now time to grab the mac and cheese. I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make mac and cheese. This is good mac and cheese.